Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm going to give a quick tour of my 1968 Mustang that I've had since 1985. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using it as a storage area for my line equipment, mainly because our garage is pretty small and my wife uses the other half for her car, which is okay. So that's that. Let me show you the interior. All right, like I said, I had this car since 1984 or 85. It was my childhood car. I had the interior redone back in the 80s with this nice diamond stitch. And it was pretty cool back in the day. It's all gonna get redone one day, back to halfway original. The car's not original, it's more of a custom hot rod. Anyway, there's what the interior is. I got the radio out. Over the years, I've worked on stuff, but I really haven't touched it in a long time. I think I got the last time it was registered. Bam, 1994 when I lived in Arkansas. A long time ago. Anyway, I have bought a lot of parts for the trunk area, new lights, all that good stuff. The back I even had diamond stitched. It was cool back in the day. Cruising around. But it needs lots of work. But it is pretty rust free because it's been in the garage for a long time. Let me show you up front. So here's up front. Got the bumpers right here. As you can see, over the years, I've kind of cleaned half the windshield. But I'm kind of doing this video because I'm planning on really working on it this year. The car is in pretty good shape. It does need lots of work. These right here are turn signal on the hood. 1967 and 68 had those. And let's open up the hood. All right, there's the engine. It's a 351 Cleveland that I had put in, and I think I put it in my senior year, 1987, a long time ago. Anyway, it was pretty fast at the time. It has a dual point distributor and Holley 600. I think I had a 780, but it's a 600 now. Anyway, it's got these cool Denamaso valve covers, which the Denamaso Pantera had the 351 Cleveland. So that's about it. Batteries removed. I do have some rust over here and some stuff over here. I gotta fix this because early on somebody put those Zerk fittings to fix that. But anyway, there's that. So give another quick. Tires are all flat. These are 14-inch Krager SS's. Had these cool spinners on them. Hey, had the Mustang. We're gonna walk over here to the back to another flat tire. These were definitely, it's kind of hard to move around with my wife's car in here. These were deep reverse wheels here. Lots of chrome. And there's a quick storage area. I've already over the years, and you can see lots of dust on this side. All right, well, anyway, this is the first video, and hopefully I'm going to start working on it and showing some progress for those people that like classic cars and Mustangs. But anyway, we'll see. I've had it for so long that who knows what I'll do. I could sit here for another 3 years again, but I hope not. I really do. It is in good shape. And there we go. 1968 Mustang. Bye.